We have this incredible ability to stare truth right in the face and not see it. And this is our own cognitive bias, how we see things, how we relate to things. We will normally make a decision based on something that has happened in our recent past. 500 years ago, people believed the earth was flat. 150 years ago, we didn't believe we could fly. 35 years ago, we didn't even think or dream we would be walking around with a cell phone in our pocket or on our wrist. This is how things are. And I believe, because real estate is everywhere and everywhere is real estate, it is there for you to see, but are you really seeing it? Are you really understanding and believing that it is as good as what it is? It is right in front of you, everywhere. Because it is so common, do we take it for the power that it really has, right in front of our eyes, right within our grasp? Yes, you can. From the moment you are born, you are in real estate. Most 99.9% of things we do in the world is about real estate or in real estate. So are you really seeing it for what it is? Yes, you can invest in it. It is there. It is not rare. And it doesn't matter what cycle of the market we're in or what market we're in. There will always be some form of real estate that will do well for you. So I dare you to take a stronger look at real estate, what it can do for you. It is within your grasp. It is within your reach. Make it happen. Happy investing.